Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Myself Chitali Arora from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group of Kota. Welcome you all in the new session. So kids, in the previous classes we have already learned about capital and small letters A to D. Capital and small letters A to D. So today we will do practice of these letters again. So everyone take out your English practice notebook. Open it. Parents are requested to mention date and classwork at the top. So kids, look here. What is this? This is apple. A for apple. A for apple. This one is B for bus. B for bus. B for, tell me kids. Yes, this is B for bus. Now this one is, what is this? Yes, cat. C for cat. C for cat. This is D for drum. D for drum. This one is capital letter D. Yes, and this one is small letter D. So D for drum. So kids, look here. This one is capital letter A, and this one is small letter A. Now this one is capital letter B. This one is small letter B. Now look here kids. This one is capital letter C, and this one is small letter C. This one is, I already told you right now. Tell me kids. Yes, this one is capital letter D, and this is small letter D. Let's start writing kids. Take out your pencil, hold it properly. Now look here kids. Put your pencil here. Make one slanting line. One more slanting line. Then one sleeping line. Capital letter A. Capital letter A. Now let's make small letter A. So first we have to make small curve in between these two lines. Then one small standing line. Touch these lines properly kids. Okay, one more time. Let's make capital letter A again. Slanting line. One more slanting line. Sleeping line. Now let's make small letter A. So make one small curve like this. Then one small standing line like this. Join it properly kids. Okay. So this one is capital letter A and this one is small letter A. A for apple. Yes kids. Now come to next one. Now this one is capital letter B. This one is small letter B. So let's start making. First we will make capital letter B. So make one standing line. Touch these lines properly. Small curve like this. One more curve like this. Okay. Now let's make small letter B. So make one standing line. Touch these lines properly. Then you have to make small curve from here like this. Okay. One more time kids. Let's make capital letter B. First make standing line. Small curve. One more small curve. Touch these lines properly kids. Now let's make small letter B. Standing line like this. Then small curve from second line. Touch this line and up like this. Come to next one. This is capital letter C and this one is small letter C. So Let's make capital letter C. Put your pencil here. Draw one long curve. Like this. You have to touch these lines properly. Let's make small letter C. Start from here. Touch this line. Curve. Touch this line. Okay? One more time, kids. Let's make capital letter C. Start from here. Touch first line. Long curve. Touch this line. Capital letter C. Let's make small letter C. Start from here. Touch first line. Small curve. Touch third line. Small letter C. Small letter C. Now this one is capital letter D. And this one is small letter D. Let's make it, kids. First we will make capital letter D. So put your pencil here. Make one standing line. Touch these lines properly, kids. Then we have to make one long curve. Yes, one long curve. Like this. Now small letter D, kids. Standing line. Small curve. Like this. This is capital letter D and this one is small letter D. Last time, kids. Standing line. Long curve. Like this. Okay. Now small letter D. Standing line. Small curve. Like this. Okay. So like this, kids, you have to complete this work in your English practice notebook. Till then, take care. Bye-bye, everyone.